Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. Continuing on with the videos for the May 2021 Paper Pumpkin Batter Up Kit, we are going to make the second card in the group. And with the new instructions, the way they have them, it tells us that we need a card base, we need the League of Your Own punch out, we need a greeting punch out, we need the ink spot, the acrylic block with the word grandpa, we need 3 of the enamel dots, we need some adhesive dots, and we need some dimensionals. We also need a piece of the white linen thread. We're just going to cut a length of that off. And the nice thing about the instructions too is they have a ruler down the side. So you can see it's got a ruler here. So what we're going to do, and they need us to cut 4.5 inches of this. So I have cut way too much, but that's okay. So we're just going to go, we're going to use the measure, the ruler here, and count off 1, 2, 3, 4.5. So we will do that and put the rest aside for the next card. Okay, so let's get building. The first thing they do is they tell us we need to dimensionalize the back of this. So we're going to put 5 dimensionals on. So we'll put 1 in the middle as well. So we'll just add those dimensionals and peel the backs off. And the Paper Pumpkin Kit, they come every month. You can go month by month on the kits, and then just stop the subscription if you'd like to. It just carries on. If you order 1 month, it just goes for every month until you are ready to stop. And there's 3, 6, and 12-month options as well, which of course save you some money. You just pay up front. And they are amazing. I love these kits, especially for somebody who's just getting into crafting. It has everything they need. So we're just going to place this down like this. I'm just lining it up where they have it on the example. So we're just going to pop that down like that. Now, step 2, they tell us, is to stamp the greeting on the little die cut. So we're just going to ink up the word grandpa. And the nice thing about these being photopolymer is you can see through them. And the reason I put this up on the red piece here is so that I can see where the edges are. You can see where it is, and you can just stamp straight down like that. It's almost foolproof. I say almost because sometimes it goes wrong, but you fix it. So then they tell us that we need to tie a bow with this. And what they've done is they've just looped it back and forth like that. And it goes in behind the word grandpa. So what they have done with that is they have put a dimensional. This is going to go over top like this here. So what you need to do is you need to put a dimensional on the outside under the grand part of grandpa, and just a glue dot on this side, because otherwise it will be uneven. So we'll put our dimensional on, and then we'll put a glue dot on. And they're telling us, if we look at the instructions, that we need to put a glue dot on the bow as well, and we attach it underneath the greeting. So let's do that. We've got our bow here, just by folding over the thread. So we'll just put that on like that. Peel the backing off, and then we'll place this down. Right there. And then we put the grandpa saying over top. And then we will add our enamel dots. So then this goes over so that the end lines up with the edge. And there we go, just like that. And you've got your bow in behind. And then the glue dot, or the enamel dots, go, we need a yellow down on this corner here. Right here, like that. And we need a yellow one up here, like that. And a red one over here. So there you go. There is the second card in the set. So stand by and we will do the third video. Thanks so much for watching.